Ito naman yung demo ng Coast Guard K9. Panoorin natin kung gaano kahusay ang mga dogs dito sa Coast Guard K9. Ayan, nagkakalat-kalat sila ng mga tennis balls. Bakit kaya? Para yung mga aso makita na hindi sila. Ayan, so para ipakita na yung mga aso ay magtatrabaho pa rin kahit napakaraming bola na reward nila. Yan. Okay, so papakita nila iba-ibang mga distractions. Dapat yung aso.
Other working dogs, the handler of Coast Guard Working Dog James will command stay while the handler is conducting visual assessment to the baggages.
So very important kasi ito na yung aso magtatrabaho pa rin kahit maraming distractions. Kasi mahirap naman yung may mga dogs tayo na madi-distract at hindi na makakapagtrabaho.
Signifies the start and command search will be executed.
Yun.
The handler will raise his hand and declare fine, signifies a successful search.
Ayun.
Followed by the giving of a ball reward.
Ayun, husay. Kita yung galaw ng aso.
The team will check the bags and call the attention of the owner of the said bag.
Kaninong bag daw yun? Ayun, kanya. Kukulong ngayon tong taon to. Yan. Terorista pala yun, sir, no?
Owner of the bag.
Ayun! Ayun, kinagat, oh. Oh, kinagat, walang bite sleeve, oh. Ayan.
Command out will be executed to release the subject.
Ibale, dalawa naman yung braso niya.
The subject will be apprehended to the proper authorities.
May hidden sleeve ba? May hidden sleeve? Manipis lang, oh. Hindi halata yung hidden sleeve.
Thank you, Coast Guard Working Dog James and Coast Guard
Basahan.
Let us give them a round of applause.
Ayos, very good. Coast Guard K9. Set up pala sila dito for search. Ito lang ako, attorney, Kukunan ko lang dito. Attorney by 6 sa Coast Guard.